So today is Sunday, and I didn't want the day to end without me sharing what I have been working on today. So basically, it's this button. I mean, I'm going to tell you several things that I made to here, but I wanted to arrive to this, what this button is doing in the dashboard for managing AI agents. And I think this is important because in the future, in a world where everyone has their own AI agents working for them, and companies have AI agents working for them and helping their employees, it's going to be really important to know how much these agents are costing in a per execution cost, but also in the total cost, right? And that's basically what I'm showing in here. This is fake data. I mean, it was generated for this example. I mean, this one is real, but the other ones are fake. But we are just going to assume that it's real for this example, okay? And this button changes the chart being shown in here between total cost per model and average cost per execution. Let's make a little example in here so we can know what this means. For example, if we see average cost per execution, that it says that making a GPT 4.5 API call, it's costing in average 9 pennies. So what does that mean? It means that if you have an agent that it's running with this configuration, and I'm going to open a calculator in here to make some quick maths, quick operations. If we multiply that times how many calls can an agent make per day, can we say 100, maybe 100? I mean, I think it's a little to have an agent doing the 100 operations per day if you can have it working all day long, right? So that's $9 per day, that just using this model. And if we multiply that per 30 days per month in average, that's $270. And that's only 100 executions per day. I think in here we can see the importance of knowing your costs for when you are using OpenAI's API models, because costs can get out of control if you are not really careful on what's going on. And I mean, an agent can do easily more than 100, like really easily more than 100 API calls per day. Let's do an example. For example, you tell an AI agent to go and bring you clients, customers, or leads to your website, and you don't say anything else, or you don't add any restrictions on it. Well, it's going to do that basically for you all day, every day. And do you think it's only going to do 100 API calls? No, it can do a lot more. So if you don't have a way to control what your agents are doing, it can easily break the bank. And that's what we're working here in agentstower.com. This is the way to control your AI agents in a future where everyone and every company, every person, it's going to have their own AI agents working for them. And this is just the beginning. This is the dashboard. But in the future, we need to have like stop controls and alerts and a way to control your agent in a simple way. And so this is the average cost per execution. We can see the total cost per model that was 63 cents of dollars. And well, if we can also see the other models. For example, one that we're using is GPT-4o. It's a good model. It's fast. It's like normal fast, not the fastest, but it's okay. And it's, well, cheap, like cheaper than this at least. I mean, there are cheaper models, but this is a good model. I think it's balanced, and we can make the calculation with this cost. If we have a cost of less than a penny per call, and we multiply this for 100 to have the same example, and then multiply this for 30 for 30 days per month in average, so that's $18. You can see it's a lot less than what we were getting with GPT 4.5, and this is a preview, right? And we also have like other models in here. GPT 4.0, 4.1, sorry, 4.1 mini, it's faster, it's cheaper. And here you can start playing with the models that work how you need it. And in here we also see the daily cost you can see how it has been like around, I mean, in this example, around 1.20 per day. And obviously, well, this is not real information. I mean, you, for the things that AI agents can do, this is a really low cost because they really can do a lot of things for you. But we just need to find that balance, the balance where they are doing a lot for your organization or for you personally, but also without breaking the bank, because the world of AI agents, like the digital world, is different than the physical world, where the actions that the agents take can take time to materialize in the real world, right? Like in the material world, in the physical world. So you cannot let them go wild and expect the results immediately. And let's do an example in here so you can see how does this work. But in the comments, I'm going to leave the link to the complete video. Well, there are several videos. One where I show you how to have this dashboard for you. It's free. The other one in how does this work. Another with examples of different costs per executions. So if I go to this web app, it's another web app that I'm working. It's an AI workspace for marketing teams, and I tell it to tell me add ideas for a business selling cars to university freshmen. It's going to give me some ideas. Some of these ideas are good, others are bad, others are cheesy. But I like to do this kind of examples. As you can see, it was pretty fast, and this is using the if I remember correctly, the 4.0 model. So if I reload this, you are going to see that the total cost was changed, and we can see the execution in here. This is a new execution. This is the one that we had before. As you can see, it's using the GPT 4.0 version model, this version. It has these input tokens, and I have the how is this calculated in another video that it's also going to be in the description, and it's in my channel. And the total cost for this execution was less than a penny. That was 0.0026 US dollar, and it took 2.5 seconds, around 2.5 seconds, a little bit less than that. And well, maybe this changed. I really don't remember what was the cost, but we can see also that at the low cost, you can see that it is, well, more. And we have the daily cost. And here I think we can see it now. So that is what I wanted to show you right now. These charts were made with Apache eCharts. If you need your own charts or dashboard, please go to agentstower.com, and you can go to create your own account in here. Just make start, you register with your name. For example, test7example.com. Let's see. Let's do it fast. I have a full video with this. So we go, and you need to create your API key. You need to copy it. This API key, you don't need to show it anywhere. It's secret. I'm going to delete this one, so don't even try it. And in here, you can start running your first executions. As I already told you, the complete video on how to connect your AI API calls and workflows or agents to this so that you can track them, it's in the description of this video. And also you in here can request support. That's all for today. Please have fun developing and working with this, and see you later.